Hi friends, speaking fluent English is very easy once you get the proper guidance. One who can tell you where to start, how to start, and also who can know your weakness and tell you the exact solution of how actually you can overcome those problems. In this video, I will be talking about two things. The first thing that I want to talk about is my Spoken English FB group, which is a community of those people who are very serious about learning English. Every Wednesday and Sunday, I connect with those people, listen to their problem, whatever problems they have, and tell them the solutions of how they can overcome it. Not only this, I do organize a group session in which everybody is given a chance to speak, and I am there to correct their each and every word wherever they are saying wrong. The link to that Spoken English FB group is given in the description box. Check that out and join that group. The second thing which I need to talk about is I also do provide one-to-one training, and this is not going to be a traditional way of training in which you will be given the recorded sessions or there will be a teacher who will just himself or herself tell the things and will not allow a student to speak. So here what I do, I give you ample time to speak on a topic and I will be there listening your each and every word and I will be correcting you wherever you are making mistakes. Now let me tell you how the course is going to happen. So the first, there will be a 2-hour demo session which is completely free, and after that Monday to Friday I will be connecting with you daily for an hour. I will be giving you a topic and you have to speak on that. So my trainees have got a lot of benefits from that class and you can also check their reviews in my group. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.